Let's get started. So first you're going to want to open up PowerPoint on either your laptop or desktop. The online version does not work for voiceovers, and you're going to want to open up a blank presentation. You can get rid of these text boxes. You don't need them. And then you're going to want to make a couple slides. You can do that by doing Control D, and I'm going to make like 15 of these. Might need more, I might need less. Oh, I made 16. All right, next, you're going to want to insert the pictures that you took of the pages in your book. You're going to want to take the pictures in landscape mode, just because of the dimensions of the PowerPoint pages. And then you're just going to insert the picture. This part is a little bit tedious. So hopefully I can speed this up. Okay, that is all of the pictures. So once you have those in there and they are all to the proportions of the PowerPoint page, you're going to go into slideshow, record slideshow, and I'm not on the right side. Let me be on slide 1, record slideshow, and then it'll start from the beginning. And then you will press record, and it'll give you a 3-second countdown. And then you just start reading. There once lived a mother fruit bat and her new baby. Oh, how Mother Bat loved her baby. I'll name you Stella Luna, she crooned. Each night, Mother Bat would carry Stella Luna clutched to her breast as she flew out to search for food. Then you're going to press stop or pause. I usually just press stop. And then you can replay and it'll play it back and you can listen to how it sounded. And then you can go to the next slide, do the same thing, and it'll record for each individual slide. Let's say, this one has a good example. So let's say you are recording this page. This is how you could use the pause button. So you could start here. For example, she climbed into the nest, closed her eyes, and opened her mouth. You can pause, and you can maybe you want to do sound effects and drop something in a glass of water to make this plop sound. Then it'll hold the time there at 10 seconds, and then you'll just press record again. So you could get ready and plop, and then it start reading. So plop, in dropped a big green grasshopper, and then stop. So that's one fun way to use pause. Or if there's a lot on a page, you could read it in chunks. It's easier to read it if there's a lot of words on a page, to read in chunks, and pause it between each. I find that really helpful. And then when it'll just always save. So when you're done with this, you can just exit. And then when you're all done and you like the way it sounds and you like the way it looks and you like the flow, oh shoot, let me go back into transitions before I show you the last little bit. Um, there's a lot of fun transitions to play with. That one's fun. I think the classic one for books is going to be Flip. Oh, no, not Flip. Haha, just kidding. It is going to be... Okay, why can't I find it? Oh, there we go. Oh, no, here it is. Page curl, page curl. Ignore everything before that. Gonna go click on page curl. There we go. And then you can apply that. So page curl, apply to all. And then you can review it one more time. You'll play from the beginning and it'll show you how it's gonna flow. It looks really nice. Or you can view it again and record a slideshow and make sure everything is how you want it. And then you're gonna go, so now after you've done your transitions, now we can save. And you're gonna save it as whatever you want to call it, Stella Luna. And then this is the important part to make it a video. This drop down, it's going to default to saving it as a PowerPoint, but if you want to save it as a video, go to this drop down and go to MPEG-4 video. And then you're going to hit save. And it's going to take a minute to actually save that. I find it takes a couple minutes, so I don't immediately close the browser. I give it a little bit. And then you can also just save this PowerPoint. You can save it as both. I like to do both, save the PowerPoint and save the video. So I'm going to save that. And that is it. That is how I make my videos and read my books and stories in PowerPoint and do my recording. So I hope that this was helpful. All right. Bye, guys.